Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to delete table in Excel. So very easy and simple method to delete or remove table in Excel. So here you need to just double click on it and select. Firstly select here table and click on delete key. If you try to pressing backspace, so this is not able to delete. Need to press this delete key. Firstly select and press delete key. So you can very easily delete table. So this way you can very easily delete table. Like I will try this backspace. So this is not able to delete. So only you need to press this delete key. So this way you can very easily delete table in Excel. So thanks for watching this video.